Hello and welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. My name is Imran, and in today's lesson we'll be learning about VLOOKUP. It's an advanced Excel topic and we'll make it very easy to understand here in this lesson. What is actually VLOOKUP? It is like look up, search something in our sheet, and the V stands for vertical. Vertically they will search. How it applies, let us check it. For example, if you want to search a price for a certain uh, item in our sheet or something else which are written in this way. For example, we want to look up for this for the price of smartphone. The price is written the next to it, the in the next column. So we are searching it vertically here in this way, vertical. This will be horizontal and here it is vertical. In this topic we'll check for the VLOOKUP, vertical lookup. Okay, how it works. Let's check out the syntax. The syntax is, we'll begin with the mode converter equal to sign and write v look. It comes up VLOOKUP. Press tab, it will come complete. Lookup value. What is lookup value? What we are searching for. For example, here we are searching for, let's say we'll make it in direct way here. Okay, we'll refer it to this cell E1. We'll enter it later, comma, table array. Table array, where we want to search it. We want to search it, for example, from B2 till C14, whatever our table is. Then comma, column index number, the result, which column it is, in which column. Our search array is from here B, so this is our first column and here it is the second. We are searching for example, this sales, which is written in the second column, 1 and 2. So we'll write 2, so it will give us the result of sales. Okay, then comma, now it asks for approximate match or you need the exact match. For example, what we will write, we will type here, it should be exactly the same or it should be somehow matching. For example, we'll write laptop 251 and it should search the same exact, then it will be exact match. Or if you will write laptop 251 but here we will write laptop only, so it will be approximate match, that will search laptop, it will ignore the 251. Okay, so here we'll go for the exact match. Okay, press tab and bracket close, enter. It will not give us result because we have not written here anything in the E1. We'll write, for example, laptop, press enter. It will give us the sales 25,000. Why it gave us only 25,000, not 10,000? Because it will search the first item, whatever it will find, that will be the result. We checked for the exact match. Now here, for example, I will change it from laptop to laptops S. It will ignore it because it is searching for exact match here. And if we will go here, instead of false, we'll make it approximate match, which is true, bracket close, enter. It will search anything near, which is 65,000, for example. Okay, it is ignoring the laptop, going for another, because it will search one of those. It is not searching the exact. Okay, so this is exact match and approximate match. I'll show you another better sheet where we can utilize it more practically, the vertical lookup, VLOOKUP. Here I have created a sales receipt invoice. For example, if you are working in a organization where you have a stock, like typical stock here of laptops, usually in many big companies in all over the world, there is one rule that for every device or machine or whatever item, there will be a item number, part number that will be unique, so that will not match with anything else. If they will search with the part number, so they will get all the information about that device or item. So here I have created an invoice, for example, XYZ company, invoice number, whatever, customer's name or date number. Now we want to enter the part number and get the model, manufacturer description, and also the price automatically. How? We'll utilize here the VLOOKUP across the sheets. So whatever will apply here, we'll begin with the model, because part number we will enter. Part number will enter. On the basis of the part number, we'll get the model number. We'll apply the same formula on manufacturer, description, and also the unit price. Unit price, I'll leave it for you viewers, so you can try it by yourself, so you can get the best of the practices and your concept will be much clearer. We'll apply, for example, we'll start for the model number. First of all, we'll get the part number from here. For example, we have a laptop, that's our part number. Here's the model name, manufacturer, the item description, and the sales price. We'll take the part number, copy, paste it here, and now on the basis of part number, we'll search the model, manufacturer, description, everything by using the VLOOKUP. We'll apply the VLOOKUP here, mode converter, VLOOKUP, tab. Now, what we are searching for this part number, which is written on A7. You can click over here or you can type A7. Now, comma, here you can see down, it will guide you. Now the table array. Where is our table? Here in the other sheet. That's our table. We want to search this completely. Okay, wherever your sheet is, complete sheet, or until where you have typed it. Now here we have only 4 or 5 items. Okay, comma, then where the model name is written here, the model name is written in this second column, 1 2. So we'll write this 2. We need this model name, then comma, we need the exact match, which is false. Click on down arrow, false, tab, bracket closed, and enter. So here we get the result, which is the model number, ZenBook Pro Do, whatever it is, on the basis of the part number. And the same will apply for manufacturer. It will search for the part number and give us the result for the manufacturer. We'll apply the same VLOOKUP. What we are searching this part number, comma, what is, where to search it, this is the array table, comma, and where the manufacturer is written, 1 2 3, third column, we'll write 3, comma, we need the exact match, false, bracket close, enter. So here is the manufacturer, same, the description, VLOOKUP, we are searching for the part number, and in stock sheet here is the table, and the description is written 1 2 3 4, fourth column, comma, and we need the exact match, enter. So here is how we get everything done. Now what's the benefit now? For example, if you have applied the formula once, after printing this sales invoice, you can save it somewhere else and you can use this same VLOOKUP for any other customer and make your task easier, smart way. For example, now we have another customer. Instead of this model, we are selling something else, which is Dell XPS. We'll copy this part number, paste it here, so everything changes. Okay, so here is how VLOOKUP is utilized, and we can get the most benefit from the VLOOKUP, and we can make our task or workload easier and decrease the efforts by working smart way. I'll leave the unit price. You can try by yourself by applying the VLOOKUP on the basis of part number, because part number is what it is unique. For example, we might have another model of Dell XPS but with different configuration, and it can have the same manufacturer. For sure it will be Dell. So if you'll search on Dell, that you will not get the best of the result or the unique result. We need here unique result because each device has different configuration and different description. So always apply the formula on the part number, which is the unique thing. Okay, I hope so that you have learned something new in easy way, which is VLOOKUP. Give a thumbs up, like the video. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and let me know in the comments below if you like to have more detail. If you have any confusion, you can reach to me anytime. by commenting below. For sure I'll reply you back. Until the next time, take care. See you soon.